So this is awkward, but it seems like maybe the world is ending? Like, not immediately, but in this kind of slow motion way that lets us forget about it and keep watching cat videos. Not you, though. You realize that we're all just Budweiser frogs waiting for the pond water to boil, which is why you raised your hand to help. There's just one thing you should know. Climate change is f***ing complicated. So we wanted to make sure you really understand it before you dive in. First off, most people don't really know what climate change is or why it's happening.
I know that we've had a lot of shark attacks.
Here's a quick and dirty chemistry lesson. The Earth is the third planet from the sun. We can only live here because the atmosphere lets just enough of the sun's heat in and out. That's called energy balance. But right now, polluters are messing with that balance, creating a blanket of carbon that's trapping heat near the Earth's surface and not letting it out. We've never had this many heat-trapping gases in our atmosphere. Even 252 million years ago, when a bunch of volcanoes erupted and 97% of life on Earth croaked. Polluters are currently adding carbon to the atmosphere 10 times faster than that. If we don't stop burning fossil fuels soon, shit is gonna hit our industrial fans. Here are just a handful of ways climate change will continue to disrupt our lives. Worse floods, more frequent fires, stronger hurricanes, food shortages, water insecurity, mass migration, economic disruption, higher crime rates, species collapse. So yeah, it's not great. But there is good news. Humans are really smart, and we already have a lot of the solutions. Together, we could launch a new industrial revolution, achieve energy independence, get environmental justice, and build a safe, clean, livable future. We just need the political will to decarbonize the entire economy and transform every facet of modern society. Does that sound hard? Sure. Are humans shit at planning for the future? Absolutely. Is collective action almost impossible to achieve? Totes. Are we running out of time? You betcha. That's why we need you. The world needs new stories about climate change, ones that reframe how we think about the issue, that shatter our filter bubbles and relate to our everyday lives, that connect with us on an emotional level, that call us to a higher purpose and inspire us to act. We've known about climate change for 60 years, and no one's managed to crack the brief. So we're bringing in the heavy hitters. Let's save the world.